Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your video in Nimbus and how to save that at the end. So you're going to begin by going to your blue N, Nimbus screenshot, and select record video. Make sure your recording mic sound is on. You'll see green. It might ask you to allow it if you haven't already. You want to change your countdown just for this one. Normally 3 is fine, but I'm going to give myself like 7 seconds to get to my slides, which I don't have up yet. So let me put those up. Okay, do that. Have that ready. So you're ready to go. Record your video. It's on 7. Record the desktop and then click start record. It's going to ask you if you want to do your entire screen or your application window. I think you guys are fine to do application window, but I might need my entire screen so that I can show you everything. It looks neater when you just have the application window because it won't show all your tabs up there in that business. So share, and then you'll see your timer going here. 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to view my slides, present. And I'm having problems with this right now. I can't seem to get my toolbar to jump down to show you how to pause your video and stop your video. But just know if you get back up to that N, yours should drop down. You can get to your N, it will be red. You're going to click it, and either there you can stop recording or you can pause your recording if you're getting a little flustered and you don't want to ruin your whole video. Press pause, regroup, find your paper or your thing that you need, and then resume, and you'll be going. As you go through your slides, you're just going to use your arrow button to show your audience the next thing as you talk to what you want to say. And once you're done, then you're going to go back up to your N, which mine again is not showing, and then you're going to stop it. And so once you click stop, you're going to get to your edit Nimbus screenshot screen. Mine will automatically play, and I'm going to turn it off here. And I'm having a problem. So pausing here. If I'm happy with the way my video went, I can listen to the whole thing, of course. Then I'm going to save the video, clicking here. And don't go too fast because you want to make sure you get a chance to name it. I'm going to call it Nimbus Tutorial 2 because this is the second time I've done this for y'all today. Make sure you leave your web movie, your .webm down here, and click save. It's in your downloads folder. I'll show you how to get there. Okay, so save, and then you're done. And you're going to upload that once you're ready to turn it in. And I'll show you that in another quick video. All right. Enjoy making your movies. I can't wait to see them.